Let's start the car, see how it sounds. Quiet. Still quiet. Gotta put the filter on it to sound better. I gotta test drive it. But yeah. Let me start the car so I can explain to you guys what you have to do basically to install this. Real quick. So as you guys saw, you basically gotta take the clamps off on both sides, right? Then you have two screws over here that you have to take off, which is 10 mils. You take those off, which is one right there and one right here, which hold the box. I'm gonna show you guys right now that hold this box in place. So that comes off with those two bolts. As you can see, they were there. Then once you do that, you take off from here disconnect those two bolts and the piece that goes in here, which is over there, that you're going to reuse for your intake, silicone intake. After you have all this piece off and then they're hanging, you don't have to take these holes off. I took them off. I didn't know, because it's like I was doing this without watching no YouTube videos, because nobody in YouTube that I found was doing this, you know, had the same motor, and I couldn't figure it out. So I'm basically doing it as I was going through it. So these holes, you actually leave them connected, and then to take this piece off, which is the piece that goes here, you just have to shake it and wiggle it up and down. This is tight as hell because it has like a freaking like clamp or something that holds it in. You just keep wiggling with it, it'll eventually come off. Once you do that, then you're gonna put the black piece. You're gonna put this bracket on it, which is right here on the side. I don't know if you guys can see it. We have the GoPro, so the GoPro's trash. But this bracket right here, you're gonna put the two screws on it that the PRL provide you. And then after that, after you have the bracket on the piece the PRL gives you, you would put the PRL intake on. But the clamp, make sure you put the clamps. I forgot to put this one on. That's what you saw me in the video, unclamping it and clamping it on. Once you have this clamped on, you're basically gonna put the hose connected. If you disconnect it like I did, connect the hoses, and then put this 10mm screw that you have. Once you have all those screws connected and you have the clamps tightened, you will have your intake installed. And then on this last screw, I didn't know what to do with it, so I just left it there, because if I want to return the shit back to stock, I'll just put it back. Yeah. Quick how to PRL intake, because I couldn't find that online, but hopefully what you guys saw, you could do it yourself. But now we're going to drive around the block real quick, see how this shit sounds in car, and then that's it. That'll be it for this video. And then I'll have the downpipe, which is in the box over there, that I have to install for this car. So yeah, that's next, but not today. Alright, let's see how this car, if this power difference is something. Hold up, gotta try a few things in it. Make sure this is straight. I think there's good. Close the garage. Got that clicker. I don't know if you guys see me, man. This freaking the GoPro's trash, but hopefully there's enough lighting so you guys can see me. I don't have no KTUNER or nothing. This is just the only mod that I have. Let's take off this traction control. Yo. Okay, nothing yet. A little bit more torquey. it's nothing crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna be that YouTuber that. Yeah, it's little, like literally a little bit. I don't really barely feel any different, and the noise is nothing. I actually have the adapter that I'm just gonna install it for the noise because yeah, you can't hear shit. If you're doing this for the noise, then yeah, it's not worth it because you're not gonna hear anything different. I literally hear it like stock. It doesn't. I don't hear no turbo noises and no like. What all you need is the adapter, which I have a video, a short RAM adapter, mass airflow adapter that you could buy, and you can hear all the noises you want. You don't really need to buy the silicone. The silicone kit with the downpipe and the KTUNER, then that should feel a difference. But right now, I don't really feel any different. I don't really feel anything. What happens when I put the downpipe and KTUNER on? Maybe I will feel like a noticeable difference, but to tell you the truth, I don't really feel it. For some reason, I feel that I'm not spinning as much. I don't know how to explain that. Usually I spin. I'm not even spinning. I'm spinning my tires when I step on it. Nice. Maybe it is fast. I don't know. I don't really feel the difference. But I like how it looks though. It looks dope. It looks dope. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It looks freaking dope. I can't wait to get a fucking the downpipe installed in the KTUNER. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys see me right now or anything. Like I said, I don't really feel a noticeable difference. Like I know I only drive that around the block, but I'm gonna give a 1 week review. So maybe the car has to like, how you say, like reprogram itself so that I can realize that the intake changed. But for now, I don't really feel a difference. In a week, I will make a review of if I feel a difference or not. But by a week, anyways, I should have the downpipe installed and I should have KTUNER installed. So stay tuned for that video. If you want the downpipe, it's a the street PRL downpipe that's going to be installed in my Honda Accord, and then I also have the KTUNER coming with the touchscreen. It's going to be come here September 12th. So it's like basically today's the 10th. In 2 days I will receive that. I can't wait for that because that's when I'm gonna feel the real big difference. Besides the downpipe. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers.